As the leaves start to turn and the days grow shorter, is your home ready to welcome autumn? Do you want a cozy, clutter-free space, but aren't quite sure where to begin? Preparing your home for the new season doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right steps and a clear plan, getting autumn ready can be simple and even enjoyable. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert home cleaning and seasonal care tips. Start with a thorough deep clean. Think of it as resetting your home after summer. Dust and allergens tend to build up over the warmer months, so focus on carpets, upholstery, and hidden corners. Wipe down all surfaces, clean behind appliances, and refresh the areas that often get overlooked. A proper deep clean creates the perfect base for a warm and inviting home as temperatures drop. Next, take a moment to freshen up your air conditioner filters. Even if you're using it less, filters collect dust that affects both air quality and energy efficiency. Cleaning or replacing them ensures your heating system will run smoothly when the cold sets in. Give your windows a good shine. As natural light decreases, clean windows help brighten your home. Wash the inside and outside, paying attention to frames and sills. A streak-free finish instantly lifts the mood of any room. Organize your wardrobe for the new season. Pack away summer clothes and bring out your autumn layers. This is the ideal time to declutter. Donate or sell anything you no longer wear. A tidy wardrobe makes your daily routine easier and your home feel lighter. Don't forget your outdoor areas. Clear leaves and debris from courtyards, driveways, and pathways to prevent slippery surfaces. Clean any garden furniture and store or cover it to protect it from the weather. Preparing your exterior now saves time and prevents issues later. Move on to the home's exterior. Clear out gutters to prevent blockages and sweep outdoor paths to avoid moss and slippery patches once the rain begins. These small tasks can help prevent costly repairs. Add cozy autumn touches indoors and out. Warm-toned lighting, fairy lights or lanterns can transform your space. Create a snug outdoor area with blankets and cushions so you can still enjoy your balcony or garden on crisp evenings. Check your garden security as daylight hours shorten. Ensure fences, gates, and locks are in good condition and consider adding motion sensor lights for extra peace of mind. Finally, look ahead to the festive season. Whether you're preparing for Halloween, bonfire night, or Christmas, now is the perfect time to plan. Organize decorations, stock up on essentials, and map out any gatherings you want to host. A bit of early preparation makes the season far more enjoyable. If these September cleaning tips help you get your home autumn ready, like this video and share it with someone who needs a seasonal reset. Don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more professional cleaning advice and home care guides.